Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick program to check if the input is a number or if it's text. Okay, so we're going to create a function called check string type. And we're going to just give it an argument, which is going to be input string. Okay. Oops. So conditional if input string dot is alpha, which is alphanumeric. Whoops, we're going to return this is a string. Else if the input string is digit, it's a number, we're going to return this is a number. Else return either a mixture or so it could be a mixture, it could be like a string and numerical data or something else. Okay, and now all we're going to do is string input. So we're going to get the user to type in something, so enter something. And here the result is going to be equal to check string type, and that's going to be string input. Okay, and now we're going to print out the results. So print, and we're going to use the F string to format it. The input is, and that's going to be result of the input. Okay, let's just save that. Let's just run it. Okay, enter something. So first of all, I'm going to enter a string. Hello. The input is, this is a string. Okay, now I'm going to enter a number. Okay, 67, random number. This is a number, and now I'm going to enter a mixture. Okay, this is 5 and 9. Either a mixture or something else. Yeah, so it's a mixture between numbers and letters. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. and remember to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.